Would you like to develop your quantitative trading strategy? You don't know programming. You don't know quantitative model optimization. You don't know machine learning. However, you have a trading ideas and unique trading rule. Just imagine that you defining your trading rule using your own custom indicator, making a Forex expert advisor for the MetaTrader platform, and increasing profitability. Let me, data scientists, quantitative strategists, and MQL programmers work for you as we work for trading companies. Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and as you know, I provide educational articles on the website forex.nrs with interesting articles related to Forex, stocks, trading, investing. However, I proudly present a new website, fxigor.com. As you know, my team last 10 years work on various cases and expert advisors for prop companies, and we decided to part of our time provide you, retail traders. This is the FXigor Quant Team website, fxigor.com, and you will be able as individual traders to ask and get new expert advisor. Here you can order a MetaTrader expert advisor with AI analysis, and soon I will describe everything what you need to know about new service. In this video, I will show how this process works. First, you provide the trading rules. Submit your buy and sell rules for trading system, include custom indicator. After that, our team will create initial expert advisor. Then we will integrate that in our AI platform. Our free groups of data scientists will work on data generation analysis. We'll develop classification models and do advanced data analysis. Then we will select and integrate and create optimal models. And in the end, you will get the expert advisor in MT4 or MT5. You see that. And of course, a big Excel table with all data. So let me talk about every single step to read, to see, to check. First, like I said, you need to contact us on the website. You have a form. Form is very simple. The most important thing is to write a message with about your wish to cooperate with us. You can put just the basic thing. What expert advice do you want from us? That you want to hire us, and then we will talk about time, about payment, about everything. We will make some agreement, and then we will start to work. The first thing that we will need from you when we make some agreement and when we decide to work with each other, you need to provide the rule. The rules should be between 2 and 4 in the best case. Why? Because we don't want to have a too complicated expert advice, not because of us, because of you. Because if you provide a very complicated expert advice, a very small number of trades, it will be very hard to improve that kind of expert advisor to be better, because you always have a very small number of trades. In opposite way, the very important thing in this stage is on you, because you need to try to provide the trading rules that you have tested already on MetaTrader 4 or 5 platform manual. I will just show how that looks like. So in your platform, you can take some indicator. On the chart, you can put various indicators and just start in visual mode your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 strategy tester. Then for last couple months, you need to check your expert advisor to see are there more profitable trades than losing trade. It's very important, because if you provide us the rules that's very bad, and after testing and everything we get an expert advisor that has a substantial loss, we will improve it a lot, but that kind of expert advisor cannot be with good profit factor, and that cannot be good beneficial for you. In the next step, like I said, when we receive your wish, your trading rules, our programmers will create in MetaTrader 4 the code for that kind of trade rules with the basic inputs, etc., etc. We will test it for big range, sometimes for some instruments 10 years, for some instruments 20 years, depending on the type of the strategy. And what is very important, that your expert advisor should be like this, something so it be a little bit profitable. It's very important to be a little bit profitable. We use a fixed number of lots. We just want to see how that work. We don't want expert advisor with a 10, 15, 20, 50 trades in a row. We want to see the expert advisors. The best one is one trade per time. That is no too much orders and not too a lot of orders. It'd be good that we can have several orders per week, maybe 50 orders per week, 100 per week. This is good. This is the good systems. And of course, our goal is have a system that can be good optimized. The most important thing of our service is that we will integrate in our AI platform your system, and that system will provide more than 200 for some companies that we work. We have a 500, 600 features. It's very complicated sometimes, but some systems are complicated. Nevertheless, it will be like this, where, for example, we have, I think for this expert advisor, we had 250,000 trades, for example, and then we need, we will have a lot of data. We had a system with 1 million or 2 million open and closed positions for 25 years, for example, which is good for our data scientists because more data, the better expert advisor can be. That Excel table on the end you will get, so in the future you can provide more expert advisors get them more ideas and set. In the next step are our data scientists. We have a group of 3 kind of data scientists. The first data scientists work on the classification models to find the features to bring better accuracy. Other one work on regression models, and the last one on symbolic regression. So usually we have a goal to create an expert advisor that not will be overfitted or underfit. We want a robust, very good expert advisor. This is the art and science in the same time. It's very hard, and only people with experience can work on this, because usually traders, when they create the systems, they do overfit it. They put a lot of rules. For example, they put 10 buy rules and 10 sell rules, and they have 95% winning rate on the past performance. It looks beautiful, but in the reality, when you start to trade, you will see not just a small number of trades, you will see a loss, because that kind of expert advisors are not good. We are looking for expert advisor that can bring consistency. Every single month, every single year, you can see a profit, and need to be some kind of simple. But that simplicity, I don't mean that simplicity is a simple rule. A rule can be complicated, but it's important that you have a small number. So to accomplish that, the first group of the data scientists will work using the basic regressions models, such as random forest, such as support vector machines, regressions, such as neural networks, etc., something that machine learning experts know very good and that everybody use. Then we have another group of data scientists that work on the simple decision trees. They're simple, but they want to see, are there buy and sell rules interesting that we can have a higher profit ratio. For example, 75, 80%, 60, 70, depends of the strategy. And of course, they want to find 2, 3, 4 rules at most. So maybe 2 rules that we need to monitor and maybe add in the system to make the system better. And finally, the personal touch, and very, very important part. When we gather about 50, 60, 70 models, sometimes for some companies, or 10 models for retail traders, we need to decide which rule to put. This is the most important part. For example, this is the client that has, for example, we have permission. This client, we show this. This client, for example, had an excellent risk-reward ratio. So the risk-reward ratio is always more than 2 times bigger reward than risk. And the good thing is that he had around I think it was only 40% of the time winning rate. But using just this one simple rule that you can see, this is the rule number 7, we created an expert advisor for this person that is almost 54% winning rate. I know that a lot of people think, oh, this is the small number. It's not something, but I want to tell you that profitability increased drastically, and this kind of system produce annually more than 20% of the winning ratio, the profit on the end of the year. But I just want to tell that this company, they trade a large amount of money, and 20% is a huge end for them. So just they risk 0.1% per trade. I think maybe more, maybe less. So I just want to tell you that we created a big stuff for them, and we made a big results, and we are very proud on that. However, this process is not simple all the time. For example, look this. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 models, and as you can see, what we're looking for, we are looking to make good accuracy and create the model that is so simple. So we want to compare the error and complexity. On this chart, you can see the last rectangle just in the upper right side. We have the last model, the model number 36, with the size 36. Is very long model. There is a lot of rules there, but the model before is a 3 times shorter and almost has the same error. So we always try to find a robust model. It will not be so complicated, and error is not only the parameter. We want the complexity and error to be on our side. So on the end, what do you get? You get MT4 Expert Advisor with additional rules, MT5 Expert Advisor for some systems, and on the end, Excel database for future ideas and new expert advisors. This Excel database maybe is the most important part that you will get. Nobody will give you such a thing. Why? Because using that Excel table, you can filter and tell, okay, I can create a completely new expert advisor, keep and add these 2 new rules, or I can add new rules on this way or this way, and we can do that later with some adjustments for you. Maybe add a couple rules, and maybe you can create from one expert advisors 3, 4, 5 expert advisors with different rules, and maybe you can decide to remove some rule, or you will get idea for some completely new expert advice. So this table with this kind of information can be very beneficial for traders, and later you can your own make some analysis, and this is very, very simple for you and simple for us. So this is the something that's unique. So fxfigure.com right now will have low prices. Later we will increase that prices. The problem is that all our programmers, all our platforms and everything costs a lot, and we need to accomplish that to keep everything that smooth and pay all that people. So our expert advice little bit will be expensive. Right now are not. We'll create some promotional period, and then we will continue with maybe higher prices, because there are a lot of people that will work on this and a lot of time. Just to tell you that one expert advisor's the average time is 1 week to 10 days. Simple expert advisors, some complex expert advisors, we need 2 weeks to develop, maybe 3 weeks. Sometimes for very, very complex expert advisors, we will work whole month. So this is the process that's expensive, but the profitability and on the end is most important thing for all kind of traders, either individual retail traders, either for companies. So I just want to tell you, we created very simple website. We have a free 4 pages I just created a few days ago, and we will be open not just for companies, we will be open for individual retail traders. I know that can be frustrating, because we right now have very good clients that pay very fast. We have a good communication, and this can be very frustrating. I will see how that's going. I hope that it will be good, that I will meet very, very honest, good, interesting people and very smart traders, and we will be here to help you, all kind of traders, to help you to develop some system. Maybe that system you will not use for systematic trading. Maybe you will be a discretionary trader. So in that case, a lot of, I know some traders, they develop system, they generate trades on demo account, they look the trade, they think, do I like this trade? And if they like, they manually make trade. Yes, some traders do that because they want have 100% control. It's okay too. But majority like to find some systematic approach that will work every single year, every single month to avoid huge losses and drawdowns. And this is the process and good idea for all kind of traders. So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye bye.